Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate dynamic lock on Windows 11. So when you try to or when you leave your PC or laptop, dynamic lock will activate to prevent any attack from the outside or prevent someone change setting on your Windows 11. So you can click on Windows Start icon, click on settings. Here you can find setting. You can type dynamic lock. Here we go. Just D and Y. The dynamic lock will be the first option that show up. Click it. So apparently the dynamic lock is under account. Here you can try to search the dynamic lock on this accounts option. So you can tap on sign in option. Here you can scroll down and there is additional settings. This is the dynamic lock. Automatically lock your device when you are away. So here if you break down, you can tick this box and allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you're away. Dynamic lock is not working because Bluetooth is off on your PC. Go to Bluetooth and other device to turn Bluetooth on. So pay attention about this. If your PC doesn't have Bluetooth, like Bluetooth dongle, or your motherboard doesn't support a Bluetooth, you cannot activate dynamic lock. So here dynamic lock is like focus on the laptop. So laptop usually have a built-in Bluetooth. So here please activate dynamic lock on your laptop or mobile device. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. See you in the next video.